So here we're going to write, we're moving back and forth between scientific notation and standard notation. So here, this is written in scientific notation. And if you see, we have a 7.91 times 10 to the fourth. So the things we want to look at is where our decimal is placed right now. And we see that it's always after the very first digit. And we see how far we have to, how much we have to move it. If that exponent is positive, we're going to move it to the right. So what we have now is we're going to take our our number here, 7.91, and we're going to move it to the right 4 times. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's where we want our decimal place, our new decimal place, to end up. I'm going to put my new decimal place there, and I'm going to have to fill in the spaces with zeros. So to write this in standard notation, I just have 7, 9, 1, and I have 2 zeros. And so remember, we always count backwards to see where our commas go by 3. So it's 79,100. That's the same as 7.91 times 10 to the positive fourth. Let's instead try something a little bit different. So I'm going to say, let's write we'll still stick with 7.91 times 10 to the negative sixth. And we want to write that in standard notation. So again, I'm going to start off with 7.91. And because my exponent is negative, see if you notice that's 10 to the negative 6, I'm going to move it left 6 places. So now it's important for us to see that we're going to move this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's where I want my new decimal to be, my new decimal place to be. And I fill in again with zeros. So that's the same as I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. So I have a decimal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros, 7, 9, 1. So that would be the same thing in standard notation. And usually we'll put a 0 in front of that. And then you're done for the decimal. There you go.